Today's Floors for Good nominations specifically focus on helping those who live with different abilities, providing safe environments to socialize, learn, and live with joy instead of frustration. The first group is Village of Lichty. They provide individual apartments to foster independence, also residential and community opportunities for adults with developmental disabilities. Sounds like a great organization. Next group, the Janus Developmental Services. They provide training and placement for employment, art and music programs, educational programs, and transportation. Another great group. Both of these incredible organizations help individuals with mental and physical disabilities live their lives to the fullest. Two great groups. And if you know of any other charities or not-for-profits that might benefit from a free floor, please nominate them at floorsforgood.com. And later, we're going to count on you. We need your votes to determine the final winner. Thank you.